and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today's video is another backdrop, and this one is very easy to do and very easy to execute. You don't need much and you don't have to be the craftiest person on earth to make this backdrop. If you want to see what's going on, what I use and how I do it, then stay tuned and let's get to it. Here are some Christmas ornaments, and I'm planning to use some of them, not all of them. We'll see if I'm gonna go for gold and silver, or I'm going to go with blue. Also, I will be using this fabric, this tulle with polka dots on it. I am so ready to do this. Let's go. You guys, so I'm at the last strip of tulle over here. I'm almost done pinning, and I want to show you how I pin my second layer of fabric. That's what I do every single time I need a second layer of fabric on my backdrop. I usually use pins with pearls on top. You can use safety pins. It will work great as well. So what I did here, I laid this tulle on top of my white fabric, and I'm taking my needle with pearl on top. I'm going into the fabric, getting both of the fabrics, and I'm coming back just like that, as you can see over here, pinning both fabrics together over here. And it's gonna hold it very nicely and securely. Nothing's gonna fall, and you want to pin your fabric horizontally, like towards your bar, because when fabric pulls, it can pull your vertical pin, but it won't pull your horizontal because it's holding horizontally, if that makes sense, hopefully. I want to show you how I hang my ornaments on this fabric. So I use those metal or wire hooks that you usually use for ornaments to hang on Christmas trees. I bought my hooks at dollar store, 100 hooks for $1 or something like that. I mean, every single store before Christmas has these guys. One thing is, you need to have this hook going on over here on an angle, because if you don't have enough of a hook or angle going on, they will slide off and they will fall off. So I have this hook going on, and I'm going to my fabric, and I'm just going in, and that's it. I'm letting go, and they're all there, and they hold really nicely. For you guys today, I think it looks very cute. It was very quick backdrop to do. You don't have to use just 3 colors ornaments that I have here. You can use different color ornaments or whatever you have at home. I used tulle to hang all of my ornaments. You don't have to use tulle. You can use chiffon if you have chiffon laying around. Thicker than chiffon, I would not recommend using it. You can try out, because I try out on my polyester fabric, the main fabric that is draped behind my tulle, and polyester fabric is a little bit thicker and it's a lot harder to poke through with those wire hooks. So if you have tulle or chiffon, that will work the best. Alright, you guys, I will play with uplighting as well, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it, another backdrop, and in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this backdrop. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.